Observing. Observing the plants is the first and foremost step as the owner of these little babies. And do not go overboard with the care. It is important to know when to pay attention and when to let them be. Only a few might need our attention at a particular point in time. I had been meaning to get some plants in this house. However, I was unsure of what would survive in the not so plant friendly indoor environment, along with the dull lighting and gloomy weather most of the year. As spring started to approach, I could see so many lush and green plants filling up the racks in various stores. I couldn't resist but get one plant each time I would go out. Cleaning. I like to clean up the plants by removing the dead leaves and extra dirt just for a better and cleaner look. Even if we don't do this step, the plants will do just fine. The reason we do this, however, is because indoor plants are restricted to an area of a small pot, so all the dry leaves do not get enough space to decompose naturally.
Time is moving fast. I am moving slow. All run days that pass.
Pruning. If we want the plant to focus its energy in producing newer leaves and getting bushier, this step is crucial.
As far as I can see, I let them roll astray. It did not bother me. The sun is shining through every window pane. It's bathing you in light, so why should I complain? If there should ever be a storm or a pouring rain, we'll look out through the window pane where the sun will shine again. Time is moving still, and you are here with me. A house upon the hill, and a little apple tree. The sun is shining through.
Digging. The restrictive environment of a pot makes digging necessary, enabling a better oxygen flow in the soil.
A storm or a pouring rain, we'll look out through the window pane where the sun will shine again. Where the sun will shine again.
Bathing. Usually, it is normal to water the plants directly in the pots at the same spot where they are located. But every once in a while, it is beneficial to give them a thorough water bath. It makes sure that the water reaches the complete root system and also cleans up the leaves.
In the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point.
Let me share a quick story with you and a funny one. There was this one time I tried to sneak my little Greek basil plant from one country to another in my handbag. It so happened that the plant toppled while it was on the baggage scanning belt. And to add to my fear of getting caught, there was soil littered everywhere the moment it appeared out of the scanning machine. Oh God, I hurried and gathered all of it back before anyone would point it out to me. Yeah, it was the only plant that lived with me in a foreign land for a few months, where I really did not have any of my friends or family members. How could I have left it alone when leaving the place? So I decided to take it back with me to India no matter what. It unfortunately did not survive the harsh summers. But I will always remember this story and feel happy about how I tried to keep it close to me as much as I could. Wiping. Indoor plants get prettier with shiny leaves and clean pots, which is why this step becomes an important one after a water bath. Who doesn't like a clean space?
Putting our life in boxes, erasing the memories so you won't notice. I'm taking the time to focus. You're by yourself, I'm by myself. Wish I could solve your problems. They're stuck on my wall like neon paintings, and I'm so tired of being honest to everyone by myself. I do it so well. We were so good at flying, but we can't keep flying. We keep getting stuck on the wrong side of the mountain. We were so good at trying, but we can't keep trying, 'cause we only end up on the wrong side of the mountain. We gave it so many chances when we saw the
We can just do our bit to provide them with the basic resources like water, fresh air, and enough light. The rest they will do themselves.
can't keep flying. We keep getting stuck on the wrong side of the mountain. We were so good at trying, but we can't keep trying, 'cause we only end up on the wrong side of the mountain. And you I will always remember when I'm dancing around with someone better. Until then I will pause forever. Keep taking my time through boxes and light. We were so good at flying, but we can't keep flying. We keep getting stuck on the wrong side of the mountain. We were so good at trying, but we can't keep trying, 'cause we only end up on the wrong side of the mountain.